So when welding these rails together for the trolley, I wanted to make sure that I had a seamless transition here from one rail to another. And this, I'll show you, this is the trolley here, and it rides inside like that. And so you can see already just in the cut, there's a little burr there that I would have to remove before I welded that. And you can imagine also that when you butt weld two of these together, you're going to get a little bump there. And also the alignment of these two. Really, the main part is this piece right here. This needs to be perfectly in alignment. But normally when you get this in alignment, it's pretty easy just to shift this top part and tack weld that too. So I was going to share with you how I did it, just improvised. I only had a few of these to do, so I just improvised what I did. I'll show you right now. I just use these wedges here, shims actually. And normally what I would do is grind all this galvanized coating off of each side here. And of course this one's got a really bad burr right there. But I'd grind all that off so I could weld it. And then I would use these shims here. And it works best to bring it on this side here. So I've got the rails prepared, and I've got it laying on a 2x4 here to get keep it kind of straight. I'm going to work on one of these at a time. So with the wedges, I'm going to work on this one first, and you can see it is out of alignment already. It's from being bent or something. So I'm going to take care of that right now. I'll show you how to do that. So when you weld these together, you can get a nice transition. Problem is that thing slipped out. I'll break one maybe. Maybe it'll catch it better. Here's one where I did and it burned a little bit. That's fine, these are sacrificial. So now I'm going to take this other wedge and come in. If I was doing this a lot, I would come up with some kind of jig that worked better. But I only have a few of these seams to do. So there we go, that one, that's pretty tight now. And now I take a clamp, and I want to pull this one in line with that one. I'll go behind and catch all the wood there. So my goal here is just to tack this and make sure this is straight first also. So I'll tack this, and then I'll flip it over and tack that one, and then I'll worry about getting it straight in the back. But the first step is this, making that tight. And I like to use this. I've got an electronic helmet. I really prefer this one. The electronic one sometimes gives you a problem if you're welding outside. It'll activate. And I'll first hook up the ground here. So my goal is just to tack that. Okay, so the metal's cooled. I'm going to go ahead and put in the wedges and line up that bottom piece now. Right here. you can see them come together in alignment just by putting the tension on these wedges. So basically the two wedges are inside there expanding to align both edges of this rail inside, from the inside. And then I use this clamp here to make that align as well.